So the last on our top 10 list of access to justice research priorities is ex-ante law for human beings. So one of the biggest distinctions in terms of how different human beings and corporations, etc., experience law in the United States is that incorporeal entities are almost always experiencing law ex ante. So corporations are attempting to avoid legal problems and comply with law as they go along, and they avoid litigation that way. Human beings, on the other hand, almost always experience law ex post, meaning when a problem has arisen, there is a debt collection lawsuit filed against you as a person, there is a criminal charge against you, you are being evicted from your apartment, or there's some sort of foreclosure or something like that. And so one of the interesting things, and pretty obvious thought when you put it this way, is, well, what if we actually had ex-ante services for human beings, the law? What if we had a robust legal system that said, hey, here's how you, the legal system is going to help you avoid legal problems in the future. Might be an effective way to do it, might not. It sort of depends on how expensive it is to provide those ex-ante services or that information, and to how many people you have to provide it to in order to avoid problems. And this mirrors the debate that's going on in public health right now. How much can you buy in terms of disease avoidance for vaccines as opposed to treatment? We know virtually nothing about this in law. As far as ex-ante law for human beings, it largely doesn't exist. And because it doesn't exist, very little is known about what it would look like. But certainly it needs to be well researched, because there's a potential for a great deal of problem avoidance and legal system congestion avoidance. So both the human beings and the institutions in law have an interest in this area. But again, very little known about it right now, and so this is where a research shop like the Access to Justice Lab can help.